All right, welcome. This is lesson 26, page 15, controlling the user, control player. You should add user control so you can move your player around. So right now we have gravity, so he drops, but can't control anything else. Let's see, left when the left arrow is pressed, right when the right arrow is pressed, and jump. Now, by the way, this is a typo in code.org. It's not supposed to be space bar, it's supposed to be key up. That's what they say down here. If you use spacebar, I don't care, but key up makes a lot more sense. So what I'm going to do is follow these steps. Create a new control player function in the functions area of your code. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down. Here's my functions area. Here's my draw function. That's where all the action happens. And down here is where I create my functions. So I'm going to go over to functions, yes. And I'm going to create a new one called control player. All right, this is where I'm going to write all the code for how to control my player. Keep it nice and organized. Let's see. Inside the control player function, use the if, down, and sprite X blocks to make your player move to the left and right according to the arrow keys. You can click right here for an example. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to go back down. I need some if statements. If I press this, then that will happen. So I'm going to grab my if. I need one for right, one for left, and one for up. All right, now I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to say key down. Now, key down means I can hold it and it changes it. Key went down means you have to tap it. So I would say key down, generally the best for this. So first I'm going to do one for right. I'm going to do key down for left, and then key down for up. All right, these are ready to go. Now I need to put in so these are my conditionals. Now I need to put in my, the inside part of that, my parameters. So I'm going to go over to, for left and right, I want my sprite X coordinate to be my one to change. So let's see, I'm going to make player X. All right, so I need player X to equal player X plus 3 to make it go right. Okay, so let's see. Get my math. All right, and for it to go left, I need to be minus. All right. So I'm just going to create a little counter pattern here. And I can adjust this to make it more or less powerful. Change these to player. All right, and the last thing is like my jumping with the up. And I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to use my velocity y instead of my x property. Do a counting pattern for that. It just makes it kind of jump instead of just like going up like an elevator. I'm going to use my text player.velocity y. I'm going to say plus 3. All right, so here it is. These are my things. Now, if I run it, it doesn't work because I've created it in the function, but I never called the function. So watch what I do. Put it right here. So now the computer knows in my draw loop, when it goes on here, go check at the function. I'll see how well this works. Whoa. All right, it's just dropping here. So I need to adjust something. Actually, this should not be plus 3. It should be minus 3. That's why it's actually speeding it up. Bam. There we go. Now take a look. Now it should work. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. Really shot it quickly. All right, that's much too powerful. So I'm going to kind of mess with these and get it working right. Let's see how he does. There we go. Now I can kind of control it. There we go. All right, I can go right and left. All right, and there it is. So take a look. I created, this is my control player function. Looks just like this. And you can adjust these to make it stronger or not. And then I called it